Are you tired of spending a fortune on travel? Do you want to explore the world without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and tricks on how to save money on travel. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a long-term adventure, these tips will help you stretch your budget and make the most of your travels. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to save money on travel. One of the easiest ways to save money on travel is to be flexible with your travel dates. Many airlines and hotels offer discounts for off-peak travel times, so if you can be flexible with your schedule, you can save a lot of money. Additionally, booking your travel in advance or at the last minute can also save you money. Airlines and hotels often offer discounts for early bookings or last-minute deals to fill empty seats or rooms. So, if you're not tied to specific travel dates, take some time to research the best deals and be flexible with your travel plans. Another great way to save money on travel is to take advantage of travel rewards programs. Many airlines, hotels, and credit card companies offer rewards programs that allow you to earn points or miles for your travel purchases. You can then redeem these points or miles for free flights, hotel stays, or other travel-related expenses. So, if you're a frequent traveler, it's worth signing up for these programs and using them to your advantage. Just be sure to read the fine print and understand the terms and conditions of each program to ensure you're getting the most value for your rewards. Accommodations can be one of the biggest expenses when traveling, but there are ways to save money without sacrificing comfort. Consider staying in alternative accommodations such as hostels, homestays, or vacation rentals. These options can be more affordable than traditional hotels and can also provide a more authentic travel experience. Additionally, staying in a local neighborhood rather than a tourist area can also save you money on food and activities. So, if you're looking to save money on accommodations, consider exploring alternative options and staying like a local. Finally, planning your activities and meals in advance can also help you save money on travel. Instead of eating out for every meal, consider packing a picnic or buying groceries to make your own meals. Additionally, research free or low-cost activities in the area you're visiting. Many museums, parks, and attractions offer free admission on certain days or have discounted rates for students or seniors. Finally, consider using public transportation or walking instead of taking taxis or renting a car. This can save you money on transportation costs and also allow you to explore the city like a local. By being flexible with your travel dates, using travel rewards programs, staying in alternative accommodations, and planning your activities and meals in advance, you can save money on travel and make the most of your adventures.